Welcome to this Arnold Culliford knitwear tutorial on working a 2/2 right cross with a cable needle. This video is part of our Something to Knit Together winter edition collection, and the cable I'm going to demonstrate to you is used in Natalie Warner's lovely assembly scarf. Working a cable is simply knitting or purling the stitches in a different order to that in which they appear on the needles. The 2/2 right cross that I'm going to demonstrate is going to pass 2 stitches over 2 stitches, and they're all going to be knitted. I'm going to demonstrate this with a cable needle, but we also have a video on how to do it without a cable needle, and I'll leave a link to that in the notes on this video. Cable needles come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, made of all sorts of different materials. I'm going to be using this straight wooden cable needle, but you can get bent ones, you can get ones with a dip in the middle, all sorts. There are lots of different versions, but they all work in the same basic way. So I'm ready to work my cable over these next 4 stitches. And I've worked in pattern up until that point. And the first job to do is to slip the next 2 stitches onto my cable needle. So we're always putting the needle into the stitches so they don't get twisted, and we slip them off onto the cable needle. This is a right cross, so I'm going to be holding the cable needle to the rear of the work. So the cable needle itself is behind the needle tips. The next job then is to knit the next 2 stitches on the left needle. So those 2 have been knitted. And now I return to my cable needle, and I'm going to knit those 2 stitches. And as you can see, we've now got this nice rope effect with the 2 stitches crossing over the front of the work, and it leans to the right. That's why it's called a right cross. I also find it helpful to remember that a right cross will be held at the back, and the capital letters R for right and B for back are a very similar shape, and handily L for left and F for front are quite angular letters, so I always think they look similar too. So let me run through that for you one more time. We take our cable needle and we're going to slip the next 2 stitches off the left needle tip onto the cable needle. We're going to then hold that at the rear of the work, or the back of the work. We then knit the next 2 stitches off the left needle tip as normal. And then to complete the cable, we're going to knit the stitches from the cable needle. And there they are, crossed. I do hope you found that video tutorial on working a 2/2 right cross with a cable needle helpful. We are able to create these videos and keep them advert free with the support of our customers at our online shop, which you can visit by clicking the button in the top right hand corner. And if you enjoy our tutorials, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button in the bottom right hand corner, and then you'll be sure to know next time we release a video. Thanks ever so much for watching. Bye bye.